Ekihure eki kitebekanisibwe ahansi y'omutwe kugira ngu the role of lawyers beyond the courtroom kitebekanisibwe aha hoteli eya White House ini omurikabare. Dr. Flavian Zeija nagira ngu okushanga abantu barukunda kumara enshonga zabo kitaka nekirebwa munonga omu byanga nka Karamoja abakiina b'ebembezi ab'obunyakare hamwe n'enganda.
Is even more pronounced in societies that have customary strong customary societies like in Karamoja, Acholi, those have strong Lango traditional customary leadership.
Dr. Flavian Zeija nagira ngu baroya bashemerire okukora ekyamaani okurebeka ngu bayamba abantu okumaraho obuteekirizana batakashyikire omu kooti.
Do not resolve disputes. They decide cases. That's what we do. And even when we decide the cases, that's why you find that you can decide a case, give a judgment, the plaintiff and the defendant are all dissatisfied.
Dr. Flavian Zeija yashuba yayihanangiriza beegi abarukushoma amateeka kubagezaho munonga kurebeka ngu bayeyangisa omuze gw'obushomankuzi agumize ngu omunyamateeka agashomere ashemerire kwetamu ekitiinisa kandi abantu bakamwesiga ahabw'okukorera aha mazima.
Your degree should be a badge of trust. The judiciary maintains a zero tolerance policy towards corruption. Beyond the courtroom, your character is your most valuable asset. A lawyer without integrity is like a ship without a rudder.
Omuramuzi wa kooti enkuru omuri Kabale Justice Semogerere Karoli Rwanga yasima obwebembezi bwa Kabale University ahabw'okutandika eitaagi erikushomesa amateeka kandi yagira ngu obwire bukye obwamazire naareeba nibaija kurugamu abanyamateeka barungi ahabw'okuba nibeegesebwa gye kandi ebiri byo.
I see the future and I'm happy that unlike last year when I was a total stranger, I've now seen some of you as future lawyers, future able lawyers.
Mukuru w'itendekero erya Kabale University Professor Joy Constance Kwesiga ashabira beegi okurebeka ngu batamwa amaani okuhika kandi n'okuba abanyamateeka barungi abatendekerwe kurungi.
So we expect you to pass. We expect you to be ethical in terms of not cheating in exams, for example. All these other things, we expect you to do what you are supposed to do.
Orukurira itaagi ly'amateeka Faculty of Law Dr. Charity Kabaseke nagira ngu beine entebeekanisa ez'okutandika kooti eyabeegi kutendekerwamu aha itendekero bakamanya okuba rukuhoza emishango omu kooti.
So next time you visit us, I am confident that the moot court will be up. Thank you for your continued guidance.
Gasha kwa Jime Emmanuel ahabwa Tayari West.